Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics too. So we will discuss about the semi-solid dosage forms. Semi-solid dosage forms are mainly meant for external application. For example, ointment, creams, jellies, pastes, poultices. In that we will discuss about the pastes. The pastes are generally very thick and stiff semi-solid preparations intended for external application to the skin. They do not melt at the ordinary temperature and thus form a protective coating. Pastes are classified according to the base employed in their preparation. Pastes are classified as solid colloid base, which containing solid colloid base, then with the gelatin base, with the starch base, with the tragacanth base, polyethylene glycol base, cellulose derivative base and pectin base. Method of preparation of paste are by trituration method and by fusion method. Recommended containers for these are semi-solid preparations are dispensed in the glass or the plastic jars having the screw caps with the impermeable liner. They should be stored in the well-closed container so as to prevent the loss of volatile constituents. They can also be supplied in the plastic or metallic collapsible tubes. The special labeling instructions are stored in a cool place and for external use only. In next sessions, we will see the actual experiment. Experiment number 67. Title of this experiment is to prepare and submit Basorin paste 10 gram. Basorin paste, a component of tragacanth called Basorin, swells with the water to form a jelly. Hence the name Basorin paste is formed. If water is added directly to the tragacanth powder, the surface particle swells and it prevents the access of the water to those in the center. So a distributing agent is required to ensure the free swelling throughout. For this purpose, the alcohol or glycerin can be used. Learning objectives are to understand the method and the purpose of preparation, ability to prepare and label the preparation correctly. Apparatus required are beaker, glass rod, measuring cylinder, mortar, pestle, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 10 upon 100, that is 0.1. Prescription is denoted by this symbol Rx, that is tragacanth powder 5 gram, alcohol 10 ml, glycerol 2 gram, water quantity sufficient to prepare up to 100 ml. We have the formulation table, that is type, category, use or role of ingredient, translation means the name of ingredient. We don't have the quantity given in the imperial system as there is no any quantities given in the Latin terminology. So we have the quantity given in the metric system for preparing 100 gram and quantity taken in metric system to prepare up to 10 gram. So tragacanth powder used as a base, that is quantity given is 5 gram, taken quantity should be 0.5 gram. Alcohol used as a co-solvent solubilizer, and also we seen in proposition that is it is used as the distributive agent also, distributing agent. So quantity given is a 10 ml, taken quantity should be 1 gram. Glycerol is also used as a viscosity enhancer and also the its role is also acts as a distributing agent too, that is quantity given should be 2 gram, taken quantity is a 0.2 gram. Then water used as a vehicle, quantity given is a quantity sufficient to prepare up to 100 gram, taken quantity should be quantity sufficient to prepare up to 10 gram. Direction to be used as directed by physician. So we have, this is a tragacanth powder, that is a gum tragacanth which is a previously weighed. This is alcohol, this is taken into this beaker. This is a glycerol which is taken into this beaker, and this is a purified water. So first of all, I am going to add this tragacanth into this mortar and pestle and proceed for trituration. I am going to add this alcohol into it. Then after proper trituration of it, I am going to add this glycerin into it. Then again triturate it well for proper mixing and proper consistency of paste. Then again I am going to add the little bit amount of purified water into it. Again add cold water into it. Then after proper trituration, I transfer that paste into this measuring cylinder and make up the volume up to 10 ml. Now I am going to transfer it into this container and then we will proceed for next labeling part. So now we will move for labeling part. Labeling of formulation paste 10 gram. For ABC, that is name of patient. Register number is XYZ, that is number given in the register. Dispensed by PQR, which is the name of pharmacist. Manufacturing date is September 2020. test is submitted in this wide mouth bottle for inspection with inspection on label as